Salam everyone, welcome to episode 4 of Engineering Drawing Basics. So far you've drawn objects from the outside, but what if you need to show what's inside? That's where section views come in. Today we'll teach you how to slice through parts and expose hidden details the smart way. A section view is a special drawing that shows the interior features of an object as if it were cut through. Instead of cluttering your views with too many hidden lines, you create a clean, simplified look using hatching to show the cut surfaces. Think of it like slicing a cake. You show what's inside by cutting through it. There are different types of section views depending on the part you're drawing. Full section. The entire object is sliced in half. Half section, only half the object is sectioned, and that's usually used for symmetric parts. Offset section. The cutting plane bends to show features not in a straight line. Broken out section. Only a portion is revealed without a full cut. Revolved section for features like ribs or spokes, shown rotated into the plane. Use arrows and labeled cutting planes to show where the object is being sliced. So, to create a section view, here's what you do. Start with your standard front or top view, then draw a cutting plane line. That's a thick, dashed line with arrowheads. Next, create the new view as if the object was sliced right along that line. Inside the cut area, use hatching lines at 45 degrees. They should be thin and evenly spaced. Make sure to label it clearly, like section AA or maybe BB. Oh, and just a quick note. Avoid hatching on holes and keep all your hatching parallel and consistent. Let's take a real mechanical part, a flange for example. In the full section view, we can clearly show the bolt holes, the thickness, and the inner profile, all without using those confusing dashed lines. See how much cleaner and easier to read this becomes? It's a real game changer. Great work. Now you know how to cut through complexity. Section views make your drawings clearer, smarter, and industry-ready. In episode 5, we'll dive into tolerances and fits. That's where math meets precision. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to sharpen your skills one cut at a time.